Hey guys, Luke's back, and this is my channel, Imagination. Oh wait, no, this is a different channel. It is, Alien Gamer 800. So, this is gonna be my first Team Fortress 2 loadout video for Jotaro, loadout. So, yeah. By the way, I'm called Alan the Alien in game, so if you see that, you know it's me. The reason I say that is it's called Alan the Alien, because when I played, Alien Isolation, I named the alien Alan. I named it Alan. So anyway, back to the setup. So this is my Jotaro loadout, as you can see. So yeah, I'll go through the cosmetics first. First, you're gonna obviously need the Starboard Crusader, and you're also gonna need the Tsar Platinum. Obviously, because they're based off of Jotaro's school suit from the anime and manga. So yeah, that's kind of like obvious. Unless you got like a replacement, like I had once a well-rounded rifleman. I had the well-rounded rifleman. It kind of looks like the same shape. So yeah. Anyway, next you're gonna need the Heavy's hockey hair. You don't need it because like it's kind of optional. Cause Jotaro, the reason I choose it is because Jotaro's hair kind of connects with his hat somehow, and it kind of works, you could say, here, but you don't have to do it. Sorry about that. My cough. Anyway, next we're gonna go through the weapons. First, you're gonna need the Natasha. The reason I choose the Natasha is because it's able to slow down people. Also, I call this Star Platinum the world. I have 3 of them, right here and here. Anyway, so if you want to trade, just ask me. Anyway, so the reason we want it is because Star Platinum the World, which is Jotaro's stand, is able to kind of stop time, and the Natasha is able to like slow down people on hit. So if you kind of understand what I mean by how the stop time and slow down time are people. So yeah, that's why I chose it. Next, you want the Delacus bar for the extra health. It's kind of like a mini medic, and it's useful because you're gonna use the eviction note, which is the next weapon. The reason you want that is because it punches fast. Punches like pretty fast. But the problem is it starts to kill you until up to like 100 health. And that's why you want the Delacus bar. So like eat it before you're about to use it. So that's basically it for my Jotaro loadout. Yeah. I have a few I have a few taunts, but I might make another video on this when I get more taunts, and maybe there's a taunt that kind of looks like JoJo poses or something. So yeah, that's it. Hope you like the video, like the video, of course, and subscribe. See you guys.